Hello everyone, and welcome to Non-Fictional Science Fiction, the show where I improve your life with science. I'm Jeff, your favorite scientist from the podcast Let Me Ask You a Question. Have you ever lost something? The remote? Your car keys? Your hand? I used to lose things all the time, until I fixed my problems with science. And you can too, using my brand new invention, the interphasic item translocator. This easy-to-make device can reclaim a lost item no matter what dimension you might have left it in. Simply obtain an ordinary cardboard box, a USB keyboard, and some science markers, and you'll be ready to go. The box works by tapping into the colloid emulsion of an item's transit value and transports an item across rhombohedral boundaries until it arrives safely back in our plane of existence. So keep that in mind while adding your runic symbols. Don't forget to plug in your quantum vaporization crystal. Bring your box to Mount Sijin in the 5th dimension, which is located in coordinate XD 4182910. The caretakers there will then activate the box, and you're ready to rock and roll. Thanks, Zort. Now which item should we summon? Ugh, who set my science alarm off? Einstein's ashes, where are my keys? Well, I guess I know what item I'm gonna summon. When entering the item's quantum hex ID, be very careful not to make a mistake, or there could be dire repercussions. Now, just open up your science flap, and lymphoma, my keys are back. Now I'm sure you guys are actually curious about what it looks like when an item is being recalled, and for this, I'll need some help from my assistant. Here, assistant, hold this fork. Now we very carefully enter the fork's quantum hex ID.
Hey, Mr. Jeff?
Has your incompetent assistant ever distracted you so badly that he caused you to enter the fork detonation sequence instead of the one you were actually trying to do, causing him to burn up in a fiery explosion? Well, no problem. All can be solved with science. You see, an interphasic item translocator has the ability to reassemble matter into any form you choose. Just gather up whatever remains you can so the machine knows which pathetic human to rebuild. Blood and hair are my favorite choices. Now that we have this lovely vial of incompetence, all we gotta do, put it in our machine, enter the sequence for the lackey that you lost, and this has been another episode of Non-Fictional Science Fiction, the show that's slowly working its way towards sentience. Thanks again, Zort.